I decided to jump on the raising chicks bandwagon. They are so cute as little baby chicks, and one day, hopefully, they will produce some delicious eggs. In this new series, please join me in my journey to raise from chicks to chickens. So let's go! It is day 4 since bringing the chicks back from the breeder. In our last video, we talked about a common condition called pasty butt. You can check out links to that video in the description below. In today's video, we'll talk about temperature, as that is one of the crucial environmental items for baby chicks, especially if you don't have a mother hen. In my brooder setup video, I talked about different methods of heating your brooder. Here I'm using a heat lamp with a 250 watt infrared bulb, which is why everything looks kind of red. If you have multiple chicks or you plan on raising chicks for multiple seasons, it may be worth investing in a brooder plate, as they tend to be less of a fire hazard. However, I only plan to use this brooder for about a month, and then the chicks will go outside to the coop, so I didn't want to invest too much into a heating source if I'm only going to use it for a month for these 3 chicks. So another useful item to have is a thermometer. If you are worried about the temperature in the brooder, here you can see on the upper left, I have a small oven thermometer that I threw in there, and it's just above 35 degrees centigrade or Celsius, which is 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And here you can see the recommended temperatures based on weeks after hatch, based on charts online. Let's just do a health check, shall we? Good morning, girls. It is now day 4. My, how you've grown. You can see that. Again, this is this black one is the black Australorp. So she should be bigger than the others, as she will grow to be bigger than the other 2, which are Americanas. So we have an Americana here, somewhat white and silver feathers, and this one is a lavender Americana, or basically it's going to have light blue feathers. You can tell already on day 4, there's just a size difference. And our lavender Americana is the runt of the litter. She seems to be smaller than the other 2. She also sleeps quite a bit and kind of gets pushed around a little bit, so I wonder if she's just not getting as much nutrition. Could just be she's a smaller size chick. We'll keep an eye on her. But definitely by day 4, there's a noticeable difference in terms of size of the 3 chicks. We have the Australorp and the dotted, the one with the dot on her head. That's the Americana with dot on her head. I think they're growing nicely. Just have to keep an eye on the smaller one to make sure she is eating and pooping, drinking fine. So it's just normal differences in growth, I guess. So far they've been happy birds, happily chirping, exploring the brooder. See, no more pasty butt. Those issues have resolved. So back to temperature. While you could use a thermometer, and that does help, the best way to tell what the right temperature for your chicks are how they behave. If they're huddled together, all in a corner, looking like shivering, looking for warmth, that probably means it's too cold. If they're very well spread out and trying to avoid your heat source, whether it's a heat lamp or heat plate, then it means they're too hot. Another way to tell if your chicks are too hot is if their beaks are wide open all the time and it looks like they're panting. That also means they're too hot. If they're having fun, being happy chicks, frolicking about, sleeping, pooping, drinking normally, and they have regular happy chirps, the regular chirping that goes on, then that's the perfect temperature for them at that time. So let your chicks be the guide. And don't worry too much about exact temperatures with the thermometer. Hopefully that helps remove some stress from raising chicks in that first week. And they are quite resilient, and just watch for cues for what they need. And you'll have some happy, healthy baby chicks. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.